If you get this pop-up while using Adobe apps, then to fix it, you need to block the internet connection for that app. And to do that, you can search for Windows Firewall and open it. And here on the left hand side, you will find outbound rule. Simply click on it, and then under the action menu, you have to click new rule. And it will open another small window where you have to select the program and hit next. And from here, you can locate your app for which you have to block the connection. And the fastest way to select your desired app is by searching that app on Windows search and right clicking on it and opening the file location. And again, right click on the highlighted folder and hit open folder location. And here you will find the main exe file of your desired software. Simply right click on it and click copy as path. Then again go to the firewall window and paste it. And don't forget to remove the double inverted comma from starting and the ending. After that, hit next. Select block the connection and click next. Make sure everything is selected here and then hit next again. And then name your rule, and it can be anything, and hit next again. Now you can work on your projects peacefully. Follow for more.